Thank you for joining me. My name is Echo. Today we're going to talk about removing yourself from your own story. I don't mean that in any sort of negative way. It's not like you're eliminating yourself, but sometimes removing ourselves from the equation, allow ourselves to get out of our own way, provides a bit more opportunity for things to come to us. The benefit of removing yourself from your own story allows a person to become the star of their own movie. People talk about main character energy. People talk about being the star of their own movie, their life experience. In order to do that, we have to be present in the moment. As Eckhart Tolle says in The Power of Now, he talks about a person needs to be in the moment. So to be the main character in a film, we can't be writing the script as we're in the moment. We can't be remembering or worrying about our lines and be in the moment. We can't be directing the scene. We can't be producing the production. We can't be filming it. We've got to be present in that moment as the main character of the film, as the star of our own movie, our life movie. Many people talk about this. Really just requires us to not be thinking about deadlines, bills, past conversations, future engagements, arrangements, responsibilities. Just be present in the moment and be aware of what's going on. To remove yourself from your story is a mental technique that allows one to be living and experiencing their story from within the scene, from as the main character of the film. This is a great way to consciously experience your living, waking reality. Make connections, be aware of opportunities, and truly live the movie. Be the main character. Remove yourself from your story so that you can live your story and be the main character of your movie. Thank you for joining me. Check out more recommendations, ideas, techniques, etc., etc., etc. Comment, subscribe, all those good things. I appreciate your energy and your time. I hope to see you again. Live forward in peace and love.